Good day, everyone. I'm here to introduce a truly remarkable product. Its modern minimalist design exudes premium quality. It's quite striking. Now for the reveal on the price. It is significantly more affordable than you might anticipate for an item of this caliber. You might even be asked as to how we managed it. Furthermore, its versatility is outstanding. Whether for your office, your home, or as a thoughtful present, it's perfectly suited. All the complete details are provided in the description. Please remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. See you soon!